Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change date and time in BIOS on HP Pavilion 15. In order to do this, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that's done, just go to System Time and System Date in the main tab, and now you can click on, while you are pointing on the hour or on the month, then you can click on F5 or F6 on your keyboard. So as you can see here, to change the value, to move from the hour to the minutes, from the months to the days, etc. Just click on enter, so it will move between these. And that's how you adjust them. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.